Hi, my name is Anya, and we all know and love Bounty. So for today, I want to show you how to make some Bounty squares. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
To make these Bounty squares, in a bowl with 250 grams of rough coconut, add a tin of condensed milk and mix that through. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Spoon the mixture into a lined baking tin and smooth it out. By pushing the mixture down and into all the corners. Then place into the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn out onto a cutting board and cut into squares by slicing horizontally, then slicing vertically. Place the squares onto a tray. Spoon some melted chocolate onto the bottom of each square. Place the squares back into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, place the squares onto a wire rack, which is over a baking tray. The baking tray will catch any excess chocolate. With some melted chocolate in a bag, pour over each square until completely covered. Then place into the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you try to make these at home, they taste amazing.